thank you for taking the time to be here. In this meditation, we will use the breath to soothe the nervous system and to help you tune into the state of calm and tranquility. It will bring about a balance and ease and blissfulness to all the layers of your being. Begin by laying down on your back or sitting comfortably. It helps if you have something soft and cozy to be on. Adjust yourself so your spine is straight. Place your hands away from your body, with your palms facing towards the skies and your legs stretched out and comfortable. Allow there to be space between your feet and let them lay down to the side. If it feels good for you, softly close your eyes. Move your jaw gently side to side and relax your tongue. Feel the skin on your face soften. Relax your eyelids and your eyes. Relax your right eyebrow and your left eyebrow and the space between them. Feel your body becoming heavy and releasing tension. Allow yourself to be fully supported by the ground beneath you. Relax your right thumb and all the fingers on the hand. Relax your whole right arm as your chest and collarbone fall and your shoulders become heavier, sinking deeper down. Relax your left thumb and all the fingers on the hand. Relax your left arm and let it sink down deep. Listen to your heartbeat. Notice the rise and fall of your belly. Relax your hips. Legs become heavier. Take 3 slow, deep breaths in and relax your breath out. Savor the inhale. Enjoy the exhale. On your next inhale, breathe in your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Slowly inhale through your nose and allow your exhale to carry away anything you want to let go of. Inhale, fill yourself up with energy. Exhale, release. Find your rhythm. Breathing deeply. Place your attention into the space around your body and notice the temperature of the air, feeling the sensations of the space around you, becoming aware of being aware. Begin to place your attention on all the space inside your body, Notice where you begin and end. Notice your inner landscape. Allow yourself to just be. Feel what you feel. Visualize the space around your body. Notice how the empty space is alive with energy. Begin to visualize streams of different frequency flowing all around your body, like waterfalls of energy. Observe the streams that have tapped into your body and that you have brought with you into your practice. Don't make any judgment towards them. Think of these just like energetic radio stations, and you can choose what frequency to tune into. Notice flowing amongst these streams is one of pure and perfect calm. And, like you would tune a radio, adjust your body and mind so that you align with this calm frequency and it rolls through your body, soothing and softening waves rolling from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. The deepest calm, the purest peace. Feel the pulsing waves rolling through your body. Allow your body to fully absorb them and align with this perfectly wonderful calm. You may recognize this feeling in distant memories of a time when you felt so incredibly calm. Let yourself absorb this sensation. Notice the stillness that arises. Soak up this blissful sensation that comes from this frequency of calm. A tranquil place around you and within you. Breathe in the calm. And releasing as you breathe out. And then slowly inhale deeply. Place your attention in between the space between your eyebrows. Hold, then release them and let it all go. Be still and listen. Notice the shift you have created within you and soak up the sensation. Now you start to come back into the room you're in, moving your fingers and toes, twitching your face, and when you're ready, blinking your eyes open. You have an endless stream of calm to carry you throughout your day, so full it can spill over and help others who need it. And know you can tap into that dream of calm whenever you need it, to retune yourself to the flowing calm. Thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day.